Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Kasorkar Jala Meghalaya Yamanta kadang up ya kai pot kebabnia na ki deputy commissioner jang ki district beper kanang banyo ya ki jingkhen ke bapura halor ki jingjulor ki balaja na ki jingwanan shop ki bor kamariang hakini ki khendat sngi balala Menteri Sarkar bakmi ya ketna revenue and disaster management uba kermen chilla habayakran bat ke bat CCTV hak artrek matabana jilleo arajar arpo ulai tho bahadien baki deputy commissioner ki lapa ya kai pot ke babnia nakaliang jong sarkar kan sesempat ikilat kelinti ban aje rap sekipat ba ki balamat ya kalanot na kajing slay bat na kajing sa penjular ki yeng kisam bat kiwe de na kajing wanan shop ki bor kamariang hakir kom baper
adu artery bengilayo kini ka report ke latest 24 hours dengan syupulemo ya kini ka report East Chanty Hills heavy rainfall and landslide occurred on the 12 villages under Cleared and Saipums in RD block. Then West Garo Hills, flash flood occurred on the 31st May 2020 at Naya Para Rabukong. And then South Garo Hills, cyclonic storm occurred on the 1st June 2020 at 5 villages under Chokpots in RD block. The last 24 hours report Kedekiniki district affected. And then number of villages affected hakini ki last 24 hours yo Pratali, then population affected around 50, and then house damage 25, and then we even have kini ki damage of 14 field PMGSY road hakini ki last 24 hours. Te mentang aku akan highlight kendet hajing day bat ka ke bajia ha kini kisngi nadu jongka arpo satrik hadu ka artri especially but kamtamo don kini ga jingdo yaki laimut lightly ki mensem da kadau ka jinglam shop to kini ka natural calamity so ki report haning yo ki kerteng nampak don re last time nala itu ba wave de Sri Bringson banang tinapo sayong mo betul ka bahap apa sayong sin adu blok and then so anu pat kini ki bedang jia kita kiba hoy kini ki armut kiba drown mo then ya kiba ngam jelop ha check dam at terngah village melim blok ha arku kundai teri ku me arajar adu but ya body jung kila recover hagata hingsi ada very same the kini pengasuka penting ke ega baja perenjong kini dia aku southrik but hadu mata gesi and then ka total ngasuka ban highlight ke total house damages from 24 hadu artery kalong news pa san ki house damage and then loss of life langut then population affected nidon total kumba sanlap at new hajar laispa sub laimun ki population affected but ki village affected ki don kumba shispa kandai southly kini gide ki jingjia haki ini but ladangi page part ya ka total jongka nadu ka 1 April kadang hambun susu andre mata tharangin dodon kamban siyo kini and then kumbanga ong nadu 1 April ngidang don shu ki jingdu mo so laimut kita ki menseview laimut daga lightning strike but laimut daga ni ka jing ngam jelop we don total of 6 nadu the 1st April hadu buta kasni andre from 24 part ni don tang laimut the yakini part ki jingjia kinu ki calamities especially naga natural calamity haba don ki bakla naga department longka asper noms ki yo ke jingyarap shakilong ying jongki kumba saula marwe kani ka jingyarap ki bakin sayo ki family jongki du manta ngin palla ban ai report number ngidang up ya ke report na DC hadu bukila de ban submit all baro ki concern DC ki ba shakta naga nakini ki jingjulor dan hadan pat nginsa like inquiry based on that means mentip ladangi page hakani ka jingjia bamenta most bun ki district ki basha effect to ban ong pat which one mo kham chulor bun nimla ban ong menta number ka assessment ngim don ni andre ni kum ka Chante Hills pat judon menu ta is and west la effect and then Khasi Hills will affect but Garu Hills ngila tip ya kum kini ki por mo kini ki season always ka ni ka flood ka shai don bay the la long regular shite then re first time she thanjungi pat ka long nim poi perkhat bakani ka jingjia kan don hadu kan ne officer chungi kila trichitom ban pun state kan bala rating ting pat ka jia ba ya ka ju ka jingjia ki hable inquiry arson license namar base nagata ka daw ka don ka norms bingi hab follow ladangi iba kani ka assessment ka long palat ya ka norms then ni hab leben biang ki inquiry nagata ka daw ting ting ka shipor rela ka tarung in persang ban request ban ong ki officer bakin kloy kat bala nang ba new pajba ba sha effect kin yo ya ka jundon kam ya ka ega bakila loss nang ba ya ka egi chung rap nang ko sarkar bakin yo ya ka rights chung ki